Taiwan Hardware Show. Let's see what kinds of good idea they have today.
It's a very powerful tool. You can see this demonstration, just like this.
Oh,
Because the striking force is preserved in the coil spring. The blade penetrates a little bitter. It can spread the widest fracture. It can very soon to separate the wood. This is a camping hammer. There is a rubber head
Yes.
and a spring inside.
oh, okay.
So this can preserve your striking force like this. That very, very light, very, very simple to use. You will not damage the wood.
Alright.
And the protect your hand compared to the usual one, very heavy and very shock to your hand. This metal, you using the usual hammer. See,
Wow.
will shock this hammer.
Yes.
Very amazing, very stable.
40% less handle force.
Yes, correct.
And let's feel the difference. So you're going to show us the difference, am I right?
Yes.
Okay,
correct.
Joe, please.
So right now, what is in my hand is the world's easiest to squeeze staple gun. You know, most people when they squeeze, they would need about 30 pounds of handle
Yes.
force to
Yeah.
squeeze this. But for us, you would only take 2 fingers.
Oh, okay.
Right. So this is where the 40% comes in. It's only about 15 pounds of handle force. And these things, they shoot up to 40 millimeters. So have a look. So it's very powerful.
Can I feel it?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah.
This is our BOHA oil filling machine demo here.
The dirty oil.
Yeah.
And that's after your process.
Yeah. It goes through, pass through our filter here and come out like this. It's low fiber,
Oh,
low fiber paper.
Uh-huh.
It's very strong, so we can custom different dentistries for your need. And here we got a MP5R here. This is our real machine. We have a panel here. You can set the operation time if you need. You can just clean it, don't need to change. This one is after filtering, and this one is in. So you only put oil hoses on it, then it can go work on it way. If you need this or differences, you can contact us.
These die casting machines equipped with the hydraulic servo energy saving systems. It do help our clients to save about 40% energy consumptions every year. In addition of this one, our clients can always choose our electric heating systems, which will bring the benefit of the constant temperatures performance and also reduce the carbon. That's the very important things in recently. We provide an easy way for our clients to control their mold temperatures, which is a very critical factor that will impact the quality of the final die casting products. So this is our mold temperatures controllers. The better things I think is that this one is not only applicable for die casting machines, but also it is applicable for the plastic injections. I personally very excited about this one. This machine will bring some smart production features. So like a SCADA that will allow our clients to monitor the equipment status and also monitor the production situations. And the second, we will bring the CCD optical inspections. So it will enhance the quality control. And the third, we will bring the energy monitoring systems. So it allows you to easily to calculate the carbon footprints. So when you get the data, it's more easy and it's possible for us to control the energy using situations.
Today we have our straightening machine here. This is for steel tubes, also for non-ferrous tubes as well. This model has 14 rollers, which is capable to straighten the tubes up to 100 millimeters. That's our layout is different to the other straightening machine. The development of our machinery is moving towards automatic. We use digital control to control the rollers. We now have the control panel which allows the user to see all the distance and the required information from this panel. This is very early development of this machine in terms of the automatic functions. We don't need to go through the machine and make the configuration. Instead, we can just do it here.
The latest rotary laser levels. The key point for this laser level is working time. The working time can be prolonged double compared with the Euro rotary laser level. It can work around 30 hours when you charge it once. And this is our remote controller.
All right.
Yes, you can rate the working condition from
Yes.
the remote controller. by
So
the
that
remote
main
control.
body, you don't really have to touch it. You can use your remote control to control
Yes.
the main unit, the laser in different vertical, size, angle, all of this.
The receiving distance can be around 100 to 200 meters.
Meter,
right?
you mean?
Yeah, yes.
Non-draining content track. If we have to install a content track, we have to make a hole on the wall, right? So with my product, you don't have to do it. You can imagine it is a window.
All right.
So here we can see a wall frame. We can see the pool with the wall frame, and we can connect the pool and the current track. That's finished.
The regular one, if it's not yours, then need a scissor. And yours, no need, with a different leverage. So which means if I want to cut here, I can just use in a finger to twist it and then come off because of your structure right here.
它的关键点是在于说，我有这个7段可调式的方式，可以去做因应地形的调整。设计的所谓的是弹簧扣，它可以很轻松的不用费力，不用任何工具，可以直接做调整。在操作上，我们就是采用75度角，让我们使用者可以在整个三角的中心点维持一个很平衡的状态。在这个扣环的部分，轻松收纳，6尺的梯具，目前仅有6点多公斤而已，可以一只手就可以单手举起。